And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved and how the price of natural gas can move on Monday. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $2.0910. Okay, and chances are very high that if the price keeps sustaining, a further upside movement we can see, because for yesterday we have seen it is continuously moving upside. Okay, and chances can be high if the price sustain this level, we can see it can cross a level of around $2.1698 also, and then the zone breakout happens and a further upside movement we can see. Okay, and this pattern is being created here. This is I'm saying as per day wise chart. You have to understand day wise, weekly wise, monthly wise, there are different supports and resistance, so you have to put your SL as for that and your target as for that. Okay, look at this particular trend. Suppose if the price sustain above $2.126, then from there it can cross a level of 2.160, and then if the price keeps sustaining, a further high towards 2.3 also we can see, and from there a further upside. Okay, look at this particular chart. What we can see looking at this particular chart, that after making a high of around 3.5 and 3.6, okay, we have seen it has not moved above that level and there is a continuous fall. If you look at this particular trend also, 3.1157, this is the level we have seen after it made a low of around 2.2. From there is a continuous fall because there is a clear pattern forming, and I have already explained you that after 2.7 a further downfall we can see where till when we have seen it has moved low, it is still a level of around $2.0256. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend also, there can be a further fall we can see, but if the price keeps sustaining above that level, a further upside we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move on Monday, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now let's see. I've seen the dollar index is continuously moving upside, and chances can be further upside, that there is a higher chances that it can go further high towards a level of $104.39. Okay, and there will be a zone move out and a breakout will happen, and some chances are very high that it can go further upside towards 1.5 also, and then from there a further upside. Okay, if the price of a dollar index is moving upside, chances are very high that other commodities can fall further down, because you have to import and export depends on the dollar. Okay, so if the price of some of the commodities, they have to pay X amount, okay, for this amount of commodities. Okay, when the price of dollar index increases, then they have to pay more amount for the same quantity. This is how it affects the price. Okay, so now let's see if the price sustain this level. We can see it can go towards a level of $2.1176. If the price sustain above that level, it will cross a level of 2.1869, which is already being a weak resistance. Once it started going over that level, we will see a level of $2.2032, and from there a further upside we can see towards $2.3162. Okay, and chances are very high that if the price keeps sustaining above that level, a further upside movement we can see, and once the price started going above that particular zone, a further high we can see. Keep that in mind. There is a higher chances that if the price keeps sustaining about 2.3, chances of going towards a level of 2.4891 is there, and if that level sustain, then we will see this pattern will form U pattern, and there will be a zone breakout happen this way. So chances are high it will go towards a level of $2.6232. Okay, and if that level sustain above that level, we will see a level of $2.7812. Okay, now once the price started moving above $2.7812, a further high we can see towards a level of 2.8405, and from there a further upside we can see towards $3. Keep that in mind. If the price keeps sustaining above $3, a further high we can see, because there will be a zone breakout will be there, because and there is a clear pattern forming. So chances are high if the price sustain above $3, we can see a level of 3.1, and then from there a further high, but chances are very high that it will move further low. Overall trend is downside, and chances of moving further low we can see. So let's see if the price didn't sustain. You have to remember, see, overall trend you can see down, but as you can see, green candles are also forming. So what will happen? So you have to put your SL as per that. Okay, and as per the volatility, your target also. Okay, once you started in profit, then try to trail your SL so that your profit can be saved. Now let's see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down towards a level of around $2.0356. If it goes below that level, we will see it will move further low and it will touch a level of $2.0058. Okay, and once the price started moving below that particular zone, a further fall we can see, which in a higher side, that it can go towards a level of 1.9417. If the price started falling below that particular zone, a further fall we can see towards $1.7667. Okay, and if that level move further down, then we can see it will go towards $1.6326. Okay, and if the price keep moving below that particular zone, a further fall we can see, and from there we can see level of $1.33. Okay, and if that level move further low, then a further downfall we can see. There will be a zone breakout and a further fall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. And